Once upon a time, there was a group of frogs who lived in a pond. They were very happy and contented, but one day, they decided that they wanted a king to rule over them. They went to the wise old owl who lived in a nearby tree and asked him to give them a king. The owl, who was very wise, thought for a moment and then said, "I will give you a king, but you must be careful what you wish for." The next day, the owl brought a large log and placed it in the center of the pond. "This is your king," he said. The frogs were confused and didn't know what to do. They thought a king was supposed to be strong and powerful, but this log was just a lifeless piece of wood. They decided to ignore the log and went back to their usual routine, but soon they started to quarrel and fight amongst themselves. They began to realize that they needed a real leader to guide them. They went back to the owl and apologized for their mistake. The owl then explained to them that they didn't need a king to rule over them. All they needed was to work together and help each other, and they would live in peace and harmony. The frogs realized their mistake and decided to work together to create a happy and contented community. They stopped fighting and started helping each other, and they all lived happily ever after. The moral of the story is that sometimes what we think we want may not be what we really need. We should always be careful about what we wish for and be grateful for what we have. And above all, we should work together and help each other to create a better world.
Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe for more videos.